Exercise 3.6 question number 1. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. We can see a pair of linear equations given here. We are going to reduce them to the general form and then solve them. Now we are going to write the given equations as, this equation can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y equal to 2, and the second equation can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y is equal to 13 by 6. Now we are going to substitute. Let 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b. Then this equation will become 1 by 2a plus 1 by 3b equal to 2. When you take LCM, the LCM is going to be 6. So 2 into 3 is 6. Multiply the numerator also by 3, we will have 3a plus 3 into 2 is 6. Multiply the numerator also by 2, so we will have 2b equal to 2. So when you take this 6 to the other side, we will have 3a plus 2b equal to 12. Now we have reduced it to the general form. Like that we will do to the second equation also. When you substitute 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y equal to b, you will have 1 by 3a plus 1 by 2b equal to 13 by 6. When you take LCM, LCM is 6, 3 into 2 is 6, multiply the numerator also by 2, you will have 2a plus 2 into 3 is 6, multiply the numerator also by 3, you will have 3b equal to 13 by 6. Denominators are same, they can be cancelled on both sides. So finally you will have 2a plus 3b equal to 13. This is your second equation. Now we are going to solve both the equations. Now these are the two equations we got. We are going to solve them and find the value of a and b. Now we will go with the elimination method. We can eliminate either a or b. I am going to try and eliminate b. For that the coefficients should be equal. So I am going to multiply the first equation by 3. So we will get 9a plus 6b equal to 36. Then I am going to multiply the second equation by 2. So I will get 4a plus 6b equal to 26. Now when you are subtracting, you have to change the symbol and add. 9a minus 4a will be 5a, this will get cancelled, so you will get 10. So your a value is going to be 10 divided by 5, that is equal to 2. Now we have found our a value. We are going to substitute in any one of the equation and find the value of b. We have 3a plus 2b equal to 12. 3 into 2 plus 2b equal to 12. 3 into 2 is 6. When you take it to the other side, you will have 2b is equal to 12 minus 6. 2b is equal to 6. So b is going to be 6 divided by 2. B value is 3. Now we have found our a value and b value. Now we are going to find what is x and y. We have assumed that 1 by x is equal to a. That is, we have 1 by x is equal to a value is what we have found here, it is 2. Bring 2 to this side, take x to the other side, then we will get 1 by 2 is equal to x. Then we have 1 by y equal to b. 1 by y value, we have found b value to be 3. Bring this 3 to this side, take y to the other side, then you will get 1 by 3 equal to y. So we have found both x and y values. X is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 3.